Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees C and preparing two 20 cm pans. This ensures even bake. Combine 200 g all-purpose flour with 50 g unsweetened cocoa and sift in 1 tsp baking powder plus 1/2 tsp salt to remove lumps. Measure 150 g sugar separately so you don't overwork batter. You'll add wet ingredients next. Once done, whisk dry mix lightly to aerate it. This gives lift. Then move immediately to creaming butter and sugar for a uniform crumb. You cream 120 g softened butter with 150 g sugar until pale and airy because trapped air creates rise. Then add 2 eggs one at a time so the emulsion stays stable. Once smooth, alternate adding spoonfuls of the dry mix with 120 ml milk. Start and end with dry to maintain batter structure. When nearly combined, pour in 60 g melted dark chocolate and fold gently to streak the batter for texture. Make sure to stop as soon as no big streaks remain. You pour batter evenly into prepared pans and tap them on the counter to release big air pockets. This prevents tunnels. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees C, testing with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. Once baked, cool 10 minutes in pans to set crumb, then invert onto a rack and cool completely before frosting so the icing doesn't slide. If the cake is dense, make sure you used room temperature eggs, avoided overmixing, and that your baking powder is fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.